There are 5 terms that separate the people who use AI from those who truly understand it, and most people haven't even heard of the first one. Context window. This is the model's working memory. Every word, file, and tool you use in a given chat takes up space in this window. Once you reach that limit, the responses get worse. Next is tokens. AI doesn't read words. It reads chunks of text called tokens. It's what you're built on, and it's what fills the context window. Next, hallucination. People think this means AI lied. That's not really true. The model always generates the most plausible-sounding response, and hallucination is what happens when plausible and factual don't align. Next, RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is when the model looks up specific information at the moment you ask, so it can answer questions that it was never trained on. And finally, system prompt. These are the hidden instructions that the model reads before anything's ever typed. Custom GPTs, Claude projects, Gemini gems, they're all system prompts in a wrapper. If you knew all 5, you're already ahead of most people using AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, one of the best decisions you'll make today.